girlfriends, what's up? How's it going? It's Meezy coming at you live from my bathroom because today I have to start this video off with a little story. I know it's an unboxing, the title's totally different, but I need to tell you why I'm unboxing this oh so expensive facial cleanser. So, you know, the other morning I was just minding my business, living my best life, you know. Okay, let me set the scene for you. You know, it's like 6:30 in the morning. I'm trying to wash my face, so, you know, I take out my cleanser, right? This is the cleanser I'm using right now. It's the Nature Inspired Botanics Hibiscus Cleanser. So I take out that bad boy, you know, put it on my face, put on some water, and I turn on my spin brush. And I just start to, you know, cleanse my face per the usual, nothing crazy. But then, the worst thing happened. It got a hold of my edges. It got a hold of my edges. And one, it hurt. It hurt. It hurt. Okay? So I'm literally like shook. So it didn't stop spitting, right? So it really got me. So I had to, one, turn it off in my panic. And see, that's exactly what happened. I thought I turned it off. I didn't. And I pulled it off and there was hair wrapped all around this thing right here. And this is the hair. Now I know it's not like an insane amount of hair, but the thing is, when it's edges, it's a lot of hair. And look at this. Look at that. It scalped me. That brush scalped me. So, I mean, and just in case you think I'm being dramatic, like, here's me pulling that from one side. You see, there's this whole thing right here missing. And then I'm gonna pull it from the other side, okay? Hold on. Okay, you see all of this? Yeah, it's missing on this side. I'm hurt, I'm upset. Pulling my hair out of my head when I'm just trying to clean my face is disrespect. Like, I'm just upset. So, if you're gonna use this brush, which I have recommended, which honestly I've used for like the last 8 years of my life, I've used this brush. It's never done anything like that to me, but I must say, once you scalp a girl, you gotta go. So, goodbye to the Olay spin brush. If y'all see this, please just like send me some hair oil or something. Like, I don't know. Anyways, after your girl got scalped, I decided to just follow my heart, my dreams, my soul. I've been wanting this for so long. So I went and got a Clarisonic. And because I am who I am and I'm technology addicted, I had to buy the smart one. So I'm gonna unbox that for you now. All right, so this is the Mia that I got. This one was actually on sale, so it cost less than $1.99. The price was about like $1.20. And one, that's a good deal to, you know, get all this Kiehl stuff with it. But also, the regular Clarisonic is $100. So with tax, they would have been about the same price. So I was like, why not upgrade? And I'm just compulsive and I love things that connect with technology. So the Mia Smart is a connected beauty device. And basically this one is smart because it's supposed to like track how your skin is doing and this and that. This one has 3 modes. It has the timer and you connect it to the app. And I'm very excited to use it. I've been wanting a Clarisonic for probably the past 3 years. All right. Got it out of the box. Do you think they want me to download the app? Download the app? Télécharge l'application. That was terrible. I apologize to the entire country of France. Oh, what's in this box? When I'm by myself, I do a lot of random accents, so I'm sure you've noticed it in videos. Okay, so I only got one brush head. Got the regular one, and here we go. Big money, ready for the show. Just kidding. Just kidding. So this is the Kiehl stuff that came with it. I actually really didn't want this color, but I couldn't pass up the price. Okay. So you get the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Mask. It is Amazonian white clay. I'm excited to try this. And then we got the facial moisturizer. And we got the facial cleanser for all skin types. I have never tried any of their things, but I know they're a little pricey, so I'm sure it's worth it. Now, before I download the app and all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. So this right here is just a whole thing of paper. Oh, do you think they want me to download oh my gosh, you have to charge it for 18 hours before you use it the first time. What? This is so wild. Okay, all right. I wasn't prepared for that. I really wasn't. Okay, they give you a nice styrofoam sheet. Maybe doubles as a face towel. You never know. And here's the actual tool, which has to charge for 18 hours. Like, how smart can you be? Wow. And then here is the charging base for it. And as you can see, my thing already has one piece of technology there, so I guess this is gonna be 2.0. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is rude. Okay, this is rude. So here's the charger. Notice that it's USB and not a plug-in. Can we just pause and have a talk? I am so tired of companies sending out products that have USB chargers and no bricks. We need bricks, okay? They're necessary. Stop cheating us. This was $200 retail. Why did it not come with a brick? Why do I have to find my own brick? I don't just got bricks laying around like that, and I don't want to pay for them. Put bricks in the box. Hashtag bring back the bricks. I think that's pretty good. That if I was running for president, that'd be my campaign slogan. Oh, okay. It has 3 settings: a daily cleanse, a gentle, and a smart. All right, so I'm going to take you through the setup of the device. So the first thing that you need to do is pair it with your phone, and I did that, and then you need to attach your brush, and it's going to take you through this quiz to help you use the brush to its best capabilities with your skin. So it's going to ask you, is the brush brand new? You're just going to want to say yes. And then it's going to ask you, what is your skin type? I chose combo because of all the times I've been tested, that's really the only thing that's making sense to me. So yeah, and next it's going to ask you, what is your top priority for your skin? And mine is to be very effective. I don't care how long my routine takes, I just need it to work. The next question it's asking is, how do you like to wear your makeup? I like a heavy beat, so I chose flawless because I love to wear a full face and I need to get all of that off. The next question it's going to ask is, what is your skincare goal? And mine is to have less visible pores because I feel like my acne is pretty intact now. And so it told me I need to do a gentle cleanse to achieve my results. And I'm just going to scroll through, look at what else it recommends, just using that brush head and a cleanser. And then it's going to tell me how to use the brush and which areas to use and for how long. And you can watch a video if you don't know how to brush your face. So then it's going to ask me if I want to sync this to my device, or it already sunk to my device. And so I'm just going to say, okay, it's telling me how to use it to put it on that smart setting, and I'll be good to go. So it also has another feature called Soft Start, to where your face can get used to the power of a smart device, of a cleansing brush. And this really helps keep your skin intact because a lot of people's skin go into shock and they start to break out when they first use it because it's too much power. So I'm going to go ahead and activate that so that I don't have that issue when I start using my device. Alright, so now it's going to ask me to take a selfie so that I can document my skincare journey. And oh, look at her. Isn't she so cute? Wow, your skincare goddess just right there looking amazed. And now that's going to be added to my profile. So I'm going to go through and just look through the app some more. I don't have any routines yet, and I don't have any reminders that one alarm is enough. And then you can subscribe to get your Clarisonic brush heads delivered straight to your door from the company. and it's giving me some recommendations on some products which seem to just be more Clarisonic. So to the achievements tab, we will see a lot of badges that you can get. I would love to get that 1-year badge. These are really just things to keep you on track. In the next tab, you can see information about your specific brush, how much battery it has, the brush heads that you have, more recommended products. They have some videos to show you how to do specific things like cleanse or remove a mask. And then last, they have the rewards, which I can't wait to cash in on. All right, so here's the bad boy. Here it is compared to the size of my head. It's not tiny, but compared to this one, I would say it's pretty big. It's pretty light though, like it's not crazy. I really appreciate the 1-minute timer. I will definitely do a first impressions of me actually using this, but I kind of just wanted to unbox it today because I was really excited. And I'm also gonna do like a series of like the first week versus the second week versus third week, blah, 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 so that we know if our money is worth this. But what I will say is be careful with those spin brushes, girls, because they will take your edges. They don't care. It doesn't matter to them. Anybody who wants it can get it. You don't even gotta want it, you can get it, okay? So just be safe. Don't be like me. Learn from my mistakes. Do not get scalped by your spin brush. Now I gotta like always swoop it up. You know what I'm saying? It's not right. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful and you deciding if you think this little kit is worth it. There's Assad. He's barking at the wind. We don't know what's going on. This has been a successful unveiling. Bye.